Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the bank feature in the accounting module. This tool helps you manage your company's bank accounts and related transactions seamlessly. To get started, let's navigate to the accounting module on the Parsimony dashboard. Click on Accounting to access the tools available for managing your financial transactions and accounts. Within the accounting module, you can manage various financial activities. Today, we'll focus on the bank feature to help you set up and manage your bank accounts. Find and click on Bank under Banking. This will take you to a page where you can view, add, and manage your company's bank accounts. The bank page provides a comprehensive view of your existing bank accounts. Here, you can see key details such as the bank account name, account number, bank name, and account balance. To add a new bank, click on the Add button at the top right corner of the page. This will open a form where you can enter the details of the new bank. In the form, fill in the necessary details such as the bank name. You can also add additional information such as the website and SWIFT number. Ensure all required fields are filled accurately. Once you've filled in all the details, click the Save button. The new bank will now be added to your list of banks. Great job! You've now learned how to use the bank feature in Parsimony to manage your bank accounts and perform reconciliations. This will help you maintain accurate financial records and streamline your accounting processes. Thank you for watching this tutorial.